Yo, what's up, everyone? Today's a special little video. I'm here with Leo, as you can see on the bottom right. He's
Yeah,
waving, he's here, nice. And yeah, we're going over some of the tests we've been doing because in the last video I've shared that a lot of the tests have been doing on Leo's account, and we or I have not been lying. As you can see here, there are some crazy results, and we're going over them today, over a few of them. And yeah, if you like this sort of content of us showing some of the results we're having, sharing the strategy, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, join the Discord to chat with us and meet some like-minded people. And yeah, I think I'll give the stage to Leo for mostly on this video. So yeah, Leo, take over.
thank you, Tony. Yo, guys, how you doing? Hope everything goes well and the trading week is very good for you all. As you can see in my screen, we are now in FX Replay. That's where we are testing all our strategies and seeing how the setups are going, and then to implement it in our live trading. So as you can see, we took the fib level that we tried in the past 3 weeks, 2 weeks, me and Tony, and we tried it on many challenges, probably like 15, 20 challenges. Most of them are like between 40 to 200% profits in probably like 5, 6, 7 months, the most. And what I want to show you is something very simple of today. We did backtest on Euro USD 2024 from March till the end of April, so totally 2 months. And we'll go some of the strategy, also a little bit rules, a little bit market outlook, and how we implement it in the trading. So it's not so hard to understand how we look on the market. Probably for some of you it's different and it will take a few weeks to understand it totally. But in the moment that you'll see the market as we are, I promise you the profits will come. So as I will look on the market, we just want to look on the 1 hour chart. That's all. That's the time frame that we are interested in. You can combine it after with many other confluences and things like we like. Me and Tony, we have a lot of knowledge from the 2 years that we are trading. But this strategy, we wanted to look for something very simple, very not a lot of rules, and just to execute it exactly the same way every day, again and again and again.
Yeah, and
So
I want to say the fun part is that with Leo and me, we've been doing the same strategies for a few months now. But oftentimes we've noticed that whenever I sometimes look for a long, he was looking for a short, or my stop
yeah,
loss was way different than his, and all that sort of stuff. So with this strategy, we were looking for a trade, and I say stop loss at 631. Yeah, stop loss at 631, and we just know exactly what we're looking for: longs, shorts, like everything will be the same, and that's been like a really nice experience so far already.
exactly. When both of you can look on the screen, and then 1 second you know, like, oh wait, you are entering here. Here you put your stop loss. That's your TP. Amazing. So suddenly the trading becomes so easy, and as a community, we can take the exactly same trades over and over again, and the profit will be pretty similar. And probably the risk management or the percentages will be a little bit different, but also for this type of things, we are putting rules that it will be much more of emotions and thoughts, and will be much more as a computer and robot, and trading will be much more simpler. So I'll start. No?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Okay. So we started on 1st of March. Okay. What I want to look first of all is on the line chart. Line chart, we can see that in the end of February we came down, and from here we had a higher high, higher low. Okay, so I will mark it for myself just to see it. Higher high, higher low. And from here the market had a nice correction, a pullback, and we broke very obviously towards the upside. So from here I see that the market structure is bullish. So with this strategy, the most important thing is always to follow the 1 hour chart line. Okay, I don't know if some of you are trading with it, but it's a new thing for us also. Sometimes it's very nice to see how the market reacts from these levels. So the chart line, we have been bullish for a while, and here we had a bearish momentum. But if we look here, okay, so we had low, high, low, high, low, and high, right? So the strategy is very simple. I'm going to the low and I'm taking it till the high. Low weak, high weak. Okay, let's see it here again. Tony, I think I'll remove it to the here. It will be much easier. Maybe
Yeah,
it will cancel most of the profit because I'm taking it backwards,
yeah,
but
it's
it's
like all the profit is gone, but that's
yeah,
fine. We know we can
yeah.
just set it up again.
Just to show you how we look at it. Okay, so we had a break of structure toward the downside, and then we had a break of structure towards the upside. In the moment that we have a break of structure towards the upside, I can mark the lows, I can mark the highs, and I can take a long. Okay, so same as here. Wait, I can take it also here. Sorry. Yes. Again, we have a low, we have a high. I take the extreme weak here of the extreme weak of the external high. I will put my trade on the, oh, wait, sorry. Okay. I will put my trade on the here. Oh, wait, the numbers. Sorry.
Oh yeah, we've been playing around with the numbers a lot because we are trading different things. We're trading 3 Forex pairs at the moment. We're trading gold, we're trading silver, and we're trading Ethereum. So we've noticed different things for the different types of stuff we're trading. For Forex, we noticed that the retracement is a little bit less deep. So we want to enter on the 605 or like at least at the 618 level around this. So what we've done, we tend to enter a little bit under it just to make sure that we don't miss the entry. So we've been playing around with it from all the way from 0.95 to 0.61.
Yeah.
And yeah, in this specific backtest, I think like what Leo's looking at, it's around there. It's like around 0.61. But we right now we prefer I think the 0.95, but it's anywhere in between those.
Yes. So it's just now the 0.9 entry on the 6.1, 6.15. We are just playing with it as Tony said. So you take the low, you take the high, put the trade, 1% risk, let it run. Again, very accurate entry. You can see the graph comes, grabs the 7.9, almost stops the 9 and goes up again towards the TP. That's a nice win. Again, we have again another trade. If I see in the line chart, low, high, I will mark again with Fibonacci the levels from weak low to weak high. Entry again. Let's see. I don't think we have an entry here probably.
Probably go
No
a little
entry.
bit higher. Yeah.
So now we move it higher.
Yeah.
Now you see again entry on the 6.1, stop loss on the 9.0. Enter. Maybe it's a loss, maybe it's a win. In that case, it's a loss. It's a fine. Keep going. Still, the structure on the trend line, on the chart line, sorry, still bullish. Low, high. We are still between the externals, high and low. I'm still looking for longs. Very nice break of structure towards the upside. We broke this line. Let's see. Yeah, we broke very nicely this line one. So I'm taking the low, high, market with Fibonacci levels. Okay. Entry on the 6.1, stop loss 9. Same thing again and again and again. The entry is the same way. Stop loss as a computer bots, very easy.
And we
And
target 2R.
we have some losses. It's fine. We don't care about it. You'll just see
Oh
when
yeah,
the
that was the
when
start of this backtest. We had some losses and then it just started going really fast.
yeah. Again, break of structure. It didn't have any correction towards the downside. It's fine. We are just keeping moving to the next low, the next high. Keeps going up. So from here, let's see. I think we have here an entry. Again, Fibonacci, low, high, entry. And that's again another one loss. Flies up. It's fine. Keep going. So we lost till now 3 trades. We took 1 win. So that's actually -1 RR because all the trades were taking 1 to 2. When we are losing 1%. So that's okay. So for now, we can see like we had a lower low, lower high. But as important as I told you in the line chart, we can see that here we had a small correction. If the chart will break under this price, I will take it as a change of character, break towards the downside, and I will look for only shorts. Again, let's see. And here we can see that we have a breakout structure. We could take also this as a long. So again, I'll show you this. We had high, low, high. I'll go zoom into it, but it will be much easier to understand. We had high, low, high. When the market is breaking this price, I was looking for shorts. If we broke it, I can take again Fibonacci from high to low now. Now it's the opposite way. So high to low, and I'll put it on the 615. Stop loss. Where is my stop loss? Yes, stop loss on the 9, TP on the 2, and we have a nice win. Oh, we didn't even tap in.
That's why we didn't draw up the box, I think. It's like barely,
Yeah, oh,
barely.
fine. That's
Very
fine.
close.
And just let it run. Okay, we broke the structure again to bullish. I didn't look here for any longs because again, the market structure broke to bearish. Now I'm looking for longs. I would be happy to enter again, low, high. What happened? What did I eat? Yeah, okay. Sorry. Let's see. So here. Oh, sorry. Okay. I know why we didn't take here a trade. Again, line chart, high, low, high. We didn't take any longs. We only look for shorts. So again, we could stretch the Fibonacci from here till bottom. No entry. Here again, high, low, line chart, high, low. Very nicely. I think that's a win. Yes, that's a win. Nice one. And I think this one is another win.
I think
Same thing.
we're at 12 minutes now, so I think we'll do like a few more trades and then close it off, I think.
Yeah,
Time
that's good.
flies when you're having fun. I know it goes
True.
fast, but we'll record another video right after, so we'll
Yeah.
provide some more value hopefully. But
Me and
I feel
Tony, we can backtest this way for hours, for days, really. It's just like easy to show it.
yeah,
So
and sadly we've shown a little bit of a bad example in a way where there are some losses early on in this backtest,
yeah,
but in the end it goes like
that's a
crazy.
win.
We've made like what on this
Yeah,
backtest 45% or something in 2 months. So yeah, it's basically showing the realness of the strategy. In every strategy you'll trade, you'll have losses. No strategy will have only wins. That's the
sure.
nature of the game. But the nice thing about this strategy is that we have 2 risk-reward ratios. So every trade we lose, or every 2 trades we lose, if we win one, we break even, and if we go 1 for 1, we're actually already in profit. So
That's another lose. Let's see here. Now we are taking longs. That's a
yeah,
win.
so that's nice little 2R.
Yeah. And I'll show another few examples and then we can finish for today. So now again, we
Shift
have
of structure.
shift of structure here. We're looking for longs. Market comes, takes us out. It's fine. Let's see what's going on here. Flies up. Again, break of structure towards the downside. Looking for shorts. Entry, very perfect.
Nice
Nice one, nice win, 1 to 2. And again, what we like with this strategy, that you don't need to think too much. You see a structure, low and high, and we will also show in the future more how we read the market, how we show the high and low, how we recognize when is a shift of structure happens. It will be much easier for all of us how to trade it. But for now, it's just a little bit to show you as examples of the trades, how we look at it. That's all. Yeah, so that's the last trades that I'm showing you, Tony, because here we have nice wins, high, low, 6-1, come back. Again, break of structure towards the upside, high, low, come back. Nice trade. I think we have another few wins here also. Again. And where is it? Yeah, low, high, comes to the 6-1, go back, go up, again, low, high, I think this one is a
Yeah.
win also. So
So
probably
yeah.
the other like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
5 wins straight.
Five
So
wins in
that
a row, that's 10x. It easily
yeah,
outweighed the losses we had earlier. So if you're still here on the video, you know it's actually a profitable strategy. No, but
wait. I think we have more. Yeah,
yeah,
and
like
that's a loss. That's a loss. That's fine. Wait, last one, Stony. Last one. Last one. Last
we're,
ones.
as you can see, we're kind of addicted to our craft. It's
That's another
it's
win.
we're like addicts to our craft. It's a good thing for you guys. It's maybe not so healthy for us, but for you
Yeah,
guys, I think it's good that we're kind of addicted to this stuff. So yeah,
that's enough.
if you I think I'm gonna let's wrap it up. If you guys like these sort of videos, if you like, let us know what you think about this sort of duo video. We're gonna record one straight after this probably, so you have to stick with us some more, even if you don't like it, but you're probably gonna like it, I hope. Yeah, thanks to Leo for
You
being
guys,
here
thank
and
you.
for sharing his knowledge. His market reading is up there. He's very much he's been teaching me stuff to put it in perspective, guys. So he's very knowledgeable. He's very good. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this sort of content, subscribing, like supporting the channel in any way is very much appreciated. And we love to chat to you guys in the Discord. And yeah, hopefully see you in the
Guys,
next one, guys. All right.
peace
Thank
out.
you. Bye bye.